What's up, nerds? Welcome back to the Nerd Garage. Today I got a little bit of an unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a while, but did some research and I got myself a new Insta360 camera. Going on vacation soon, so wanted to get something else. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the Explorer kit. So it comes with like a handheld cage and grip, strap, all that kind of stuff. So let's unbox it. Let's see what it's about. Oh, well, that looks awesome. Well, that's not going to work out too well if it doesn't work. Now it's clicked in. Pretty awesome. So I got the camera out of the box in the Tilta Explorer kit. But now we got to do a firmware update, and it is taking quite a bit of time. But I'm also in my garage, so let's see how long it takes. Still working. We got a little bit of time left. I guess as expected. Since we Alright, so firmware's updating. This is giving me choices. Oh, okay, same thing. Please reconnect to the device. Alright, activated. Let's see. I don't know what these are. I guess these are medallions for stuff. Oh, look at that. Still got a sticker on the lens, but that's pretty awesome. Let's see. I'll get my damn fingers on it. Voila. The crazy part is, this thing is a collaboration with Leica. If you know a little bit of photography, like I kind of sort of do, you know that Leica is a very well-known brand for both movie and photography lenses. Voila. The crazy part is this thing is a collaboration with Leica. If you know a little bit of photography, like I kind of sort of do, you know that Leica is a very well-known brand for both movie and photography lenses. Right now we're in photo mode. Let's see if we can go to video. Free frame. This is seamless. This works so much better than the DJI app. I got some big old knuckles, so gotta be weary of that when I'm recording, so it doesn't show up in every shot. There's so many different settings, but super stoked to have this. And the main reason why I got this thing wasn't because I'm an avid snowboarder or skateboarder anymore, or I'm doing any kind of action sports, though I do enjoy action sports. This is going to be a point and shoot camera for me with 50 megapixels. This Explorer cage, especially with the shutter button right here, just a tight little grip. It's just easily portable. This is going to be our vacation camera. It's going to be sturdy. Obviously, it's built in like RoboCop into this cage. It's got a flip up screen, so in case you want to vlog, you can do it that way, or you just want to use it behind you. It's great. It's touch screen. You got a shutter button up here. This cage is made out of all metal. It is one heck of a production. Super stoked on that. But yeah, this is going to be our travel camera. This is coming with us to San Diego Comic-Con as we go next month. That was weird. It kind of just came off, so that's not good. Got to get that work done. There we go. See, that's why I do these reviews, these little unboxing videos. You never know what kind of crap can happen. This is going to be my point and shoot camera. 50 megapixels, it's got dual screens, it's got a built-in Leica lens, built-in filters. I'm actually filming this on my DJI OSMO Pocket 3. And I was going to get the Osmo Action 5, but there are so many videos out online of actual photographers and videographers comparing this to the Osmo Action 5. And this one wins, hands down, in almost 90% of the videos that I watched. I mean, this thing is rugged. It's gonna get tossed around, tossed in a bag. It's got a wrist strap, like a nylon paracord wrist strap, which is also pretty cool. Oh, look at that. I hit the button for the first time. It's giving me operations. But this is gonna be a vacation camera. I've got a Canon EOS Rebel that my wife's gonna use with a pocket dispo lens, or it's a disposable camera lens. I've got this, and then we're obviously gonna bring the gimbal camera too, but San Diego Comic-Con, we're coming for you, and we're coming for you with a bunch of different cameras to get a bunch of different media. So I'm really stoked about this. So thanks Insta360 for coming out with an Explorer grip kit and camera that is actually going to work out well for all of our travels. So I appreciate it, and next time I put up some videos, hopefully it'll be from this camera, and see you on the next one. Thanks for checking in.